The CrazyNov 1080p camera drone is equipped with a high-definition camera that allows for capturing breathtaking aerial views and offers real-time transmission for an immersive flying experience. Its brushless motor ensures quieter and more efficient operation, while the optical flow sensor aids in stable hovering and capturing smooth footage. This drone is beginner-friendly with features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and adjustable speeds, making it perfect for kids and novices to gain confidence. Unique features such as voice control and gesture selfies add an element of fun and convenience, allowing users to control the drone hands-free and capture photos with simple gestures. Designed with portability in mind, the drone is lightweight and foldable, requiring no FAA registration, and includes 2 batteries for extended flight time. Ensuring a stable flight requires a flat surface and proper calibration, and the drone can be controlled via an app when disconnected from the remote controller.